In question number 3, WXYZ is a rhombus whose diagonal WY and XZ intersect each other at point P. Here WY is equal to 12 cm and XZ is equal to 16 cm. We have to find out length of rhombus, length of side of rhombus. rhombus के साइड का लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. तो देखिए, we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. डायगोनल एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पर इंटरसेक्ट बाइसेक्ट करता है. YPZ नाइन्टी डिग्री PY is equal to half WI is equal to half into 12 6 cm and PZ is equal to half XZ. Half into 16 cm is equal to 8 cm. Now in a right triangle PYZ by Pythagoras theorem, YZ square is equal to PY square plus PZ square. 6 square YZ square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square और YZ square is equal to 36 plus 64 और YZ square is equal to 100. YZ is equal to root under 100. Therefore, YZ is equal to 10. Hence, each side is equal to 10 cm. Question number 4. PQRS is a trapezium. Here PQ parallel SR, angle S is equal to 65 degree and angle R is equal to 70 degree. We have to find the measurement of angle P and angle Q. देखिए, since PQ parallel SR and PS is a transversal, therefore angle P plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles और consecutive angles. Therefore, angle P plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 65 degree. Therefore, angle P is equal to 115 degree. Again, PQ parallel SR and here QR is transversal. Therefore, angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree co-interior angles or allied angles or consecutive angles. Therefore, angle Q plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle Q is equal to 180 minus 70. Q is equal to 110 degree. In question number 5, KITE is a kite whose diagonal intersect each other at point S. We have to prove triangle KES congruent triangle KIS and triangle SET congruent triangle SIT. तो सबसे पहले इसमें समझिए काइट, आप जैसे इंट्रोडक्शन में जान चुके हैं चैप्टर के कि काइट का एडजेसेंट साइड्स इक्वल होता है, ऑपोजिट साइड का अपोजिट पेयर अनइक्वल होता है, और दूसरा चीज कि डायगोनल अपोजिट एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करता है। तो पहले ए देखिए, इन ट्रायंगल KES and triangle KIS, since KE is equal to KI, adjacent sides of kite का एडजेसेंट साइड इक्वल होता है एंगल EKS is equal to angle IKS, since diagonal KT bisects angle K and KS equal to KS, common side. Therefore, triangle KES congruent triangle KIS by SAS congruence rule. क्वेश्चन इसका बी देखिए, इन ट्रायंगल SET and triangle SIT, since PT is equal to IT, adjacent sides of kite angle ETS is equal to angle ITS. Diagonal KT bisects angle T, and ST is equal to ST, common side. So triangle SET congruent triangle SIT by SAS rule.